Want to earn Bitcoin without expensive mining rigs? In this video, I'll show you how to start mining crypto with just your computer in under 5 minutes. Most people think you need crazy expensive equipment to mine Bitcoin, but that's simply not true. There's a platform called Unmineable that lets you mine real crypto from any PC, even a laptop. Unmineable makes crypto mining super easy. Download, install, and then open the app. You will have to link your wallet to the app so the cryptocurrencies are sent to it. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make a tutorial on how to make a wallet. Then, you will have to download the mining algorithms, as each coin will perform better on different algorithms. Just click download, and you will be ready. Close the tab, and then, after selecting your desired crypto to mine, hit start. It will take a bit until you start earning. The amount you earn will depend on your PC specs and performance. This won't make you rich overnight, but it's a legit way to build up passive crypto income without doing anything complicated. Want to try it out? Just click the link in the description. Start mining. It's free to join. You'll get a small mining boost with my referral code and you'll help support the channel too.